Alright, let's get this motor out of here. Enough disappointments for one day. Get the last of it, get it out of here, and figure out what the hell happened to the rest of the motor. Transmission was definitely unexpected. That's the way it goes. Actually, I think that's a 12 point in there, isn't it? Yeah, it is a 12 point. That'd be a ½ inch then. ½ inch 12 point. Tight squeeze. Yep. So if you take the back bolts out first before you take out the front, the motor's held nice and straight and true, so it's easier to work on it to get it apart. The bolts come out nice and easy. There it is. 12 point small diameter, so it clears the battery. Otherwise I couldn't get the bolt in and out. Alright, takes care of that. Now I got the front bolt and it'll come right out. Do the bottom one first. 9/16. Get up under here underneath somewhere to find it. Up under there. Don't feel it sticking through the frame. Ah. It's because it's on this side of the frame. There's a 9/16 set. I don't know, went away. Ah. Well, this one's straight. Pull the line nut off to get to it. That's how close it is. See, the motor dropped. And a big one. Should just come right out. Shims in here. I shim my motor mount so it sits flat. This should. This won't come out because there's one bolt holding it. I'll just go ahead and put this back in there. So these are more mount plates I made. So I welded this one so I'd have a nut built in and I helical weld it. Those are not stock. Sticky. Everything I touch is gooey. Don't know why. Including my tools. Because my clean rag is not very clean. Clean your tools off so you don't get all full of muck. These are dirty. All right. So those oil pants got lifted pretty much straight up to get it out. Otherwise it will not come. Washer. There you go. She's out. Want to fall. All right. Get out of the way for now. Okay. All right. Nope, you can see where it went to. It's up over there now. It's out of the way. That's how you do it around here.